Hi guys, here we've got Realme Narzo 50 Pro and let me show you how to reset all the settings. First of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to backup and reset and click on reset phone. Here you'll notice reset all settings, so just mark it, then draw your unlock pattern to confirm and click on reset all settings if you truly want to do it. Give it a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, all the settings have been reset. You can see the difference even in this in the navigation bar, the brightness and so on. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.